Hey friends, today we're going to look at short vowels and syllables. Our learning goal for this lesson says, I can decode and read 2-syllable words with short vowels. Let's review. What is a short vowel? Well, if we have our list of our vowels, we have A, E, I, O, and U. A short A says A, as in k, at, cat. A short E says as in egg. A short I sound says like icky or in. A short O says ah, as in pond. And finally, a short U sound says as in up. Let's also review what a syllable is. A syllable is a part of a word that contains one vowel sound that is pronounced as a unit or a whole. Let's take a look at the word baseball. We have base and ball. That is broken up into 2 words or 2 units, base and ball. Let's see if we can apply that to the word basket. Think about the word basket. How would I chunk that word out? If you said in between the S and the K, bass and kit, you are correct. So I can chunk the word basket into basket, 2 syllables. Let's take a look at the word mitten. Think about how you might say that word, mitten. I might chunk that out at the mit and tin. Chunking between those 2 consonants, leaving us mitten. 2 familiar sounds. Now, let's have you practice with your learning goal. Take a look at these words. We have tennis, effort, ridden, contest, and gossip. See if you can take the clues that we just used to help you chunk those 5 words out. Hit pause and discuss those with your learning guide. When you are ready, play the video to see if you got them correct. How did you do? Let's check. If you broke tennis up in between the 2 consonants, the 2 ends, you are correct. Tennis. If you chunked effort into F-ert, you are correct. Effort. Ridden. If you chunked ridden into ridden, you are correct. Contest gets chunked into contest. And lastly, gossip is chunked gossip. In this lesson, you have learned how to decode and read 2-syllable words with short vowels. Good luck today on your phonics!